Look at this beautiful 1953 Mercury pickup. Wow. Oh, that is beautiful. And here is a 1936 Ford Roadster. I was in BC, these guys on this. Just look at the detail. Look at the paint shine. Oh my god. The 1956 Chevy Rare 4-door hardtop Bel Air. Oh. Oh my god. This is like my dream car. Like, look at the beautiful paintwork. Foose edition wheels. Oh my god. This is old school. Beautiful. And there's a lineup over there. Let's move on, shall we? Now, this is beautiful too. Actually, gotta get a photo of this. Nice. Look at that beautiful car. Wow. Look at that. Holy. Wow. Beautiful. Nice one. Look at this. He's even got his own trailer in the same color. Oh my god. Look at this collector pinstriping. Beautiful. Look at the engine on this thing. Beautiful. 1936 Ford. Look at that. That shows detail. Look at that. Oh my god. I want this car. The reason for the louvers in the back is to cool the engine. That's how they did it in the rat rod days. Let's put the louvers in. Let's look at that detail. You can even smell it. Oh, so beautiful. 1932 Roadster. It doesn't say it's frame off restoration. I wish it did, but it doesn't. This lighting is beautiful for detailing. You can see everything. Oh my god. Look at that. That is old school. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Suicide doors, those were popular back in the day. They still make them. Look at this. This is all the largest Canadian car club. Look at this. Those are all BC trucks. Oh my god. This is why I love the Vancouver International Auto Show. Right here. Beautiful restored wood paneling trunk. Sorry, inner box. Look at that. Pie plate wheels. Those things are beautiful. Look at the interior. Oh my god. So beautiful. I want one. Wow. Beautiful.